Create a hexagon in the top view and extrude it 150 millimeters. First, we start by twisting the piece by clicking on Insert, Features, Flex. Select the Twist option. As Flex input, select the piece. Enter the values for Trim Plane to indicate the beginning and the end of the flex. The bending angle will be as indicated in the drawing. The second operation will be tapering. The widening will be done one by one. Select the piece on which the operation will be applied. Define the start and end of the upper widening. Perform the same operation for the lower widening. In this case, the position of the trim planes should be reversed. The third operation consists of stretching the piece. Since the stretched piece in the plane measures 250 then, the value of the stretch will be the difference with respect to the original piece, 100 millimeters. Finally, make an arc by bending the piece. According to the plan, it bends 180 degrees so that the top and bottom faces are parallel. To make the bottom face coincide with the top view, slide the coordinate system down to visualize the approximate value of the y-axis. In this case, it is -50 millimeters. Great. To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.